Welcome back to the real crypto space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Crypto.com.
Welcome back to Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, this video will be on Crypto.com, and this has been highly requested by a lot of people, and finally we're making a video on it. So yeah, please enjoy, like, subscribe, and peace.
So just looking at the market cap and then the price, you may be thinking that is a very high market cap for the price, um, but not necessarily for what the coin does. And also, if we look at the circulating supply, almost all the coins have now been released, which therefore means it's almost able to get to its maximum potential, meaning all the coins are out there to be purchased on exchanges such as Binance, Qcoin, Coinbase, which is a very good thing because more people will obviously be able to buy it. Um, and it also means it's scarce as well. No more coins can be created, so there's only a top it can get to. It's like Bitcoin, for example, but obviously there's a lot more in supply than Bitcoin. So if we look at its all-time high, we can see that its all-time high was actually 27 cents. So that's about 43% down from where we are right now. So 27 cents that was about a $6 billion market cap. So for it to go back to its all-time high, we'd need about another 2.2 billion, give or take, to flow into the market for Crypto.com to go back or break its all-time high. But from what's happening with Bitcoin right now, once we break through that 40k, then we'll be able to keep going on that upside. And then of course there'll be more corrections when we get to close to about 48, 49k. But once we break through that 50, that's seriously when we could be talking about this dollar price point for Crypto.com, which would be a very good, and I think that is possible by end of year. So the place you can buy Crypto.com is obviously the Crypto.com app, which is what I recommend. That's where I bought mine on, and you can also stake it on there, which we'll be talking about in a bit. But then obviously you can be buying it on Qcoin if you want, Huobi if you want to keep your portfolio all in one place, and you can just buy it on the exchange you already use. But yeah.
As we know from the website, this has been a cryptocurrency that has been here for a while, and this is one of the most leading cryptocurrency exchanges that offers a nice credit card. And the good thing is that the more Crypto.com you own, the more benefits you can get, such as cashback, rewards, staking, more money you can earn, and basically it's a good way of earning passive income just from holding your crypto debit card with the Crypto.com cryptocurrency, obviously, and it will definitely make you money, and not just in your Crypto.com, it'll make you money on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the leading assets that are out there as well.
So the thing I really like about Crypto.com is the app interface. It's so easy to use. So if you're a beginner in crypto, then Crypto.com is just the app you need to use because it's so simple to use. It explains what the staking is, how to do it, the earning programs, everything on it. Because you can actually use Crypto.com to earn quite a bit of money. Whether that's your usual expenses, you can use your Crypto.com app card, for those expenses. So, for example, whether that's petrol, whatever it is, you can then get a cashback on that purchase if you're using Crypto.com coin. Then you'll make money from using the purchases you'd already be doing. So it's really great. But one thing you need to keep in mind is the staking on Crypto.com is locked staking, so you can't take it out whenever you want. I believe there's 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days, but I might be wrong. It might be 30, 45, and 90. I'm not sure.
So as we know, Crypto.com has a lot of cryptocurrencies. There's over 100 plus cryptocurrencies that you can buy and sell. Also some fiat currencies as well, using your bank card, obviously. And you can link your debit or credit card on your Crypto.com app. And the good thing is that you can also earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. So let's say you're holding Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can earn a high percent of interest, like 8% in your Ethereum, which is crazy. If you're earning 8% in your Ethereum, you're earning a lot of money, depending on how much you hold. And these percentages are just on Crypto.com. They offer very high percentages just to attract people and for people to get involved in the app and allow them to enjoy the process of investing and letting their money earn them more money. The interface is also perfect. They also allow different user-friendly interfaces, so they allow new people to kind of get involved that don't understand crypto, and the app explains stuff very well, and it is very easy to use the app and go through it.
So as you can see, there's different card tiers for Crypto.com. So for each one, you'd be paying a certain amount a month to have it. Um, or if you have a certain amount in Crypto.com, then you get a better card than the others. So the bottom tier one will be Midnight Blue, which is a 1% rewards on your Crypto.com spend. So as I mentioned, for example, fuel, you're spending £40 on fuel, you get 1% of that back in Crypto.com if you spent Crypto.com tokens. But then again, I don't know why they're pushing you to spend the Crypto.com, because it's a good one to hold, because I reckon it's going to $1 by the end of this year. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So I wouldn't be spending it, so I wouldn't actually be using any of this personally. But it's there, it's an option, and a lot of people do use it, as you can see from the benefits down here, which we'll get into in a minute. So they also have the Ruby Steel, which is $400 staked you need, and you get 2%, and then so on, 4,000 3%, 40,000 5%, 400,000 8%. And even with the Ruby Steel one, $400, you're getting 100% off Spotify, so you're getting free Spotify Premium. And then with the 4,000, you get Netflix and Spotify for free, and then the 40,000, you get the Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and 10% off Expedia. And look at the Obsidian one, you get 10% off Airbnb as well, which is really cool. And you'd also get access to an airport lounge. So these are awesome benefits. Even with the $4,000 one, you get access to an airport lounge on top of all these other benefits, which is really awesome. And then look at this Obsidian one, you get a private jet partnership. What other crypto coin, please, I ask you, please tell me, show me any other, there may be, but I've never seen this. Please show me another crypto coin that is providing private jet partnerships, even though it's for $400,000. But for private jet partnership for that price, it's very good. Then of course you get all the standard stuff like your free ATM withdrawals per month. So you get 200 on the standard one, which is like any other but normal bank. You get $200 around that.
So as you know, the Obsidian card is obviously the best card, and it does have a lot of benefits to it. So if you have $400,000 to stake, there probably is many different options out there that will probably give you better return. However, let's say you have that enough money to put into Crypto.com. Obsidian is probably the best one for the return of your money. You earn over 8% APY, which is amazing, and you get all the benefits that are listed above. So yeah, if you have that much, then go ahead.
So that is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also this big red subscribe button, as it really helps us out. So yeah, I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and yeah.